Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to brighten your video in Premiere Pro. Start by selecting your video clip in the timeline, then head over to the Effects panel and type in Brightness. Within the Color Correction folder under Video Effects, drag the Brightness and Contrast effect onto your clip. Now go to the Effect Controls panel and look for the Brightness and Contrast effect. Adjust the brightness slider to increase the exposure of your video. Be careful not to go too high, as it can wash out the details. You can also fine-tune the contrast to add more depth to your footage. Another great option is using the lighting effects. Let's turn off the brightness and contrast effect first by clicking on the FX icon next to it. In the Effects panel, type in Lighting, and make sure to select Lighting Effects within the Adjust folder under Video Effects. Drag and drop it onto your video clip, then go back to the Effect Controls panel. Under Lighting Effects, click on the Light 1 drop-down and change the light type from Spotlight to Directional. This will give you a softer, more natural brightness without overexposing the highlights. If it appears to be too harsh, adjust its intensity until you get your desired look. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.